values are very, very strong. And both of this go very hand in hand, like technology and values. So it's a very hybrid generation that we are talking about.
Is AI is going to do things which 100 people could do. So if you had a plan in your mind that, okay, I need 50 people and I could have done this, you have that tool with you. So use it for that, right? If you really need to do in the right same manner, while you have the framework of AI, you need the right governance, but right data as well. So that is the very key. Different folks, it's where you require AI. Identify the people who are going to use it. Look at the adoption methodology. The mindset, of course, comes into the bigger picture.